Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Asfa Dawood, M.Phil student from Federal Urdu University. Today my topic is New Era of Great Power Competition, Major Power Interest and Strategy in Pacific Ocean. First of all, I would like to tell about geographical and geopolitical significance of the Pacific Ocean. It covers about 32% up to one-third part of Earth's surface, with total area about 165,250,000 square kilometer, and 47% of water surface shows in the pie chart. It is the largest ocean in the world, and histogram shows the average depth, that is 3970 meter. It extends from Arctic North Pole to the Antarctic South Pole. It bounded by the North and South America in the east. On the west, it bounded by Asia, Australia, Japan and New Zealand. Great powers are US, China, Russia, England, France and Europe. They have political, economic, development and military allies. Also wealth, power, values and status. Their aim to exploit region security, influence, stability with each other. Great power drawn up large and diversified portfolio of capabilities and practice when competing with each other. Any conceivable political, economic, diplomatic, technological development exploited by the great power to improve their standing into the ongoing competition. Vigilance towards other competitors is compulsory. In the past era, great power was US, Russia, Europe and China. After that, Russia, China and US compete with each other. Their geopolitical calculation, economic consideration and security concern. It explores power projection, resources, competition and regional dominance. And now, in new era, 21st century, China rising as a leading global power, increasing their economy. They have the world largest armed force and also world largest manufacturing center. In 2010, China defeated Japan economically and it became a second largest economically powerful. The world great power US, its aim to maintain their leadership and protect security interest in Pacific Ocean through diplomatic engagement, military alliance and economic collaboration, and also rising China's counterbalancing and preserving. In the Pacific Ocean, other countries are taking interest like Japan, Australia and India. They have keen interest in their economic independence with China and the security alliance with US. Now coming over my research question and objectives. My first question: in new era, the great power has altered its interest and strategic approach in relation to extend their control. My second question: why major power compete to each other? And objectives are to evaluate resources competition, powers, interest and strategies, geopolitical importance and balancing economic dependence with China and security alliance with US. Now talk about literature review. To examine the existing academic work and scholarly discussions surrounding the new era of great power competition in Pacific Ocean with a specific focus on major power interest and strategies, and discuss about the case study is that South China Sea dispute. The dispute involved overlapping territorial claims by several nations, including China, Vietnam, the Philippines, Malaysia, and Brunei over the various island reefs and water in South China Sea. Highlight the case study points, the major power interest and strategies is that China assertive approach in Pacific Ocean. It aims to secure regional influence, strategic and economic interest, and also control over vital sea lane, resources and territorial integrity. And I used qualitative methodology in my research and realism theory as well. And I used secondary data collection method. Now I quickly go through the gap in my literature. Number 1, research on South China Sea dispute and Pacific Ocean powers competition and limited attention to smaller nation perspective and challenges. Deep analysis of economic interdependencies among the major power and smaller nation is needed in South China Sea. More studies should focus on their experiences and strategies in navigating such a competition. Now come to the findings. My case study contribute to existing literature and provide valuable insight into the motivations, strategies and implication of major action in the South China Sea. The case study underscores the need for continued dialogues, diplomatic efforts and multilateral cooperation to promote regional stability and address the competing interests in the Pacific Ocean. And I would like to give suggestion for future research to conduct a comparative analysis of other major power actions and interests in the South China Sea. Compare and contrast the strategies and motivations of countries such as US, Vietnam and the Philippines, providing comprehensive understanding of the dynamic of great power competition in this region. Now I would like to conclude my topic. The intensity of great power competition in the Pacific Ocean extend beyond the region, affecting international relations, trade flows and the overall balance of power globally. And the last, to control the power competition peacefully. Thank you.